worked out the kinks. She designed and created her wings with the assistance of Dr. Thaddeus Fool. However, his assurance that a compact ether generator would be enough to keep her in flight was highly unfounded. Today she is sporting her ether wings, gun, and her own design of bloomers. While they do show a good deal of leg, they also ensure that when you're snared in the trees, you don't lose another petticoat.